African National Congress. Founded in 1912 as the South African Native National Congress, renamed ANC in 1923, it emerged to fight for black South Africans' rights, becoming a leading anti-apartheid movement. Its military wing, Umkhonto weSizwe MK, was formed in 1961 with the South African Communist Party as SACP. The ANC has governed South Africa since 1994. So ANC phethe apha eMzantsi since 1994. I think I think phofu abantu abadala bazayibona lento. Abantu abadala bayazi since 1994 phethe ANC bazawuanalyza bona uba intle okanye abanye bathi intle abanye bathi imbi. It's your opinion, it's your opinion. Ideology. I'm here to educate you. So next time when you are voting, you know, it's the party that you're voting for agreeing with your ideology. Ideology, it's liberation movement with left-leaning social democratic roots. Part of the tri-party alliance with the SAPS and COSATU, emphasizing redistribution and transformation. Critics note a shift toward pragmatism and market-friendly policies under Syria. There's a link which you can every information of mine has a link. I did not write this stuff myself. It has a link. Key policies is black economic empowerment, BE, to address racial inequalities, social welfare programs, each grant for the poor. So ne policies is BE yazi ine social welfare grant fane grant for abantu abathatha intweni yabo, like yanceda grant. Actually I can speak from experience about kule ndawo ngihlala kuyo. Grant helps a lot. So yeah, some things help. Land reform via willing seller yabo opposes exploitation without compensation pushed by EFF and MK. Foreign policies pro BRICS supports Palestine yabo. So it's South Africa support Palestine and it could BRICS. I know BRICS, Brazil, Russia. I think we should do a video on BRICS next. Voters base historically strong among black South Africans, especially in rural areas and township. Support spans Eastern Cape, Free State, Limpopo and Mpumalanga. Declining urban support due to corrupt scandals and service delivery failures. So ANC ke ngoku support ayigcwele phi Eastern Cape, Free State, Limpopo naseMpumalanga, emaXhoseni, eMasuthwini, Limpopo yintoni, eMavendeni, eMpumalanga yintoni andazi. But ke ngoku phaa urban ajozi abantu abayivoteli yabo because corruption and don't. Let's work. See? Mnandi apha 2024 roll ndizayixhoma but I don't wanna uzayibona. Challenges: internal factionalism, declining trust, 17% drop from 2019. So ANC was 17% from 2019. Yabo 2024 was 17. So uhabe nekuvota ngo-20 whatever. Yabo. So yeah. In balancing GNU's partners divert ideologies. Critics argue it's a compromised. It's compromised. It's a liberation ethos by aligning with the DA. Abantu bayayigxeka okay ANC ijikela abantu because iyathini yadibane ne-DA. Ane xa sithi African National Congress ayibona uba elwela ntoni, elwela apartheid kudala ngo-1920 against abantu abamhlophe. Ngoku abantu bathi ijikele xadibane ne-DA. You have your opinion, I have my opinion. Masiye kwelandelayo.